How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh?
How many?
10 tickles. Hey, on a more serious note, like millions of people don't know anything about FRAG.
And I am one of them.
Tell us about it then.
Defrag is very important. If you have a hard drive, you should defrag your hard drive. The reason is a little bit boring, but the good news is it's very easy. It's really good for performance, and anyone can do it. If you need help, you can give us a call or leave a comment. We'd be happy to tell you how to do it. If you have an SSD, you should never defrag.
I have an SSD and it tells me that I should optimize. Is that different from defragging?
It is, and you should optimize. But the good news is Windows will take care of that for you if you have a Windows computer. And if you have OS X, it'll do its own version of that.
Awesome. Tech Tip Tuesday, y'all.